Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT 2. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. As you can see, we've got access to two Files app, files provided by Google and My Files provided by Realme. Firstly, let's go to My Files, and thanks to this app, you've got access to your internal storage divided on categories like photos, videos, audio, documents, apps and archives. Also, you can go to Downloads, Realme Share, Bluetooth, Private Save and Recently Deleted. Next, you can go to Recents and Tag. If you go to Files by Google, you've got the same things available, but also you can use Nearby Share function, thanks to which you can quickly receive and send files. And you can use the Clean to remove junk files from your smartphone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.